Yes, yes, yes. We are back. We are back live. Yes, yes, yes. For some reason, the stream stopped working, and it is what it is. Okay. Technology, you know, things like this gonna happen. Like now, I'm looking at US30. It looks good. I didn't take this trade though. I was messing with the stream, but this looks a possibility. But I'm still like waiting for something better than this. It looks like it has the ability to pop up, but I'll wait for something better than this. Um, Hope you guys can hear me this time. Testing 1 2 3. Let me make sure you guys can hear me. Testing 1 2 3. Can you guys hear me? So I gotta start this thing all over again. Basically, like I said before, um, I had problems with the live stream. I had to restart it. So we back. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's watching this replay. If you want to watch that replay, you can hit settings, hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. What else? If you're basically just joining my channel, over here I help struggling traders get to the next level. So we are looking at these live markets today, seeing if we can get some trades going on. So far, I'm looking at US30, S&P 500, Nasdaq. I don't see anything yet. Nasdaq actually has something that I'll probably be looking at right now. But other than that, guys, I don't see nothing yet. Let me see. Let me see, guys. Can you hear me? So far everything seems like it's working live stream. Let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Let me see here. Now Nasdaq is trying to pop. US30 is trying to have a pop too. So we'll see what's going on with this. Oh, you got. Oh, okay, cool. What's going on, Natalie? Shout out to you. What's going on, Javier? Cool. All right, that's good. Because overall, like I said, I lost connection, whatever. But it is what it is. I'm looking at Nasdaq. US30 was looking good. I'm not gonna lie. But I said, you know what? I'm gonna skip that one. It was looking good. Basically, we had a nice little smart money push right here, and then, you know, you could tell money. They wanted to push up. But I was looking at S&P 500 or the Nasdaq for another trade. So we'll see. guys have any questions, type it in. All right, so let's see what these markets want to do. If you guys have questions, let me know. I'm about to step out real quick, but let me know. Michael said, new to trading, just found your channel. Appreciate your wisdom, man. Shout out to you, bro. Yeah, no problem, man. I'm just trying to basically, you know, show new traders and struggling traders, how to look at the market. Number two, how to be patient. Okay, because even if you look at the market and sort of, let's say you sort of kind of understand it, a lot of new traders are not patient. So I'm trying to show you guys what it takes to be a full-time trader. It's not all about being in and out of trade. It's actually about just waiting, being patient, okay, waiting for that nice move or that quality setup and attacking. You know, and I think a lot of traders on YouTube don't really show you that. They don't show you the patience part. They don't show you patient part. They don't show you what goes behind, what's going on behind the scenes, right? And also they don't show you live trading anyway. Most of your favorite YouTuber, right? You can whoever it is, don't show you no live trading. They show you highlights. Anybody new to the channel that just showed up, welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, and guys, whoever's watching this live stream right here, hit those like buttons, guys. Hit those like buttons. All right, hit those like buttons. I know the crude oil inventory just came out. Nasdaq trying to push back a little bit. S&P 500 catching resistance right here. US30. It's not doing nothing yet. Gold basically popping up some more. Not surprising, right? I'm not surprised at all. Crude oil came out with some news right now. Inventories. So it looks like it's trying to pop up some more. We'll see. Live life, man. Shout out to you, bro. Do you think actually I'm gonna read your guys' questions. I'll be right back. And anybody else that have any questions, type it in. I'll be right back. Let me see. Before I leave, let me make sure I check these charts. I'm gonna definitely get to you guys' questions. I'll be right back in a second. Let me see. Nasdaq. Yeah, we'll see. All right, just give me a second. I'll be right back. right, I'm back. Let's see what's going on with this. All right, let's go back to some questions, guys. I'm looking at these markets. I'm looking at Nasdaq, seeing if it's a possible buy. This struggling right here. We have the S&P 500 struggling around these areas. All right, let's go back to these questions now. All right, so do you think making $150 a day starting with $3,000 is likely? Anything is likely. It's just that um, the account size, like $3,000, right? Is it enough for to make $150 a day, right? 100 to $150 a day. Yes, you can do that, but at the same time, um, my question is, not even a question. You really have to, build your skill level up. Okay, so it's not really about can you do it. Yeah, that's possible. Okay, but is your skill level up there? Okay, so that's what you have to work on, your skill level. Like for example, when I was trading, I'm actually still trading this small account, right? I was trading less than that, and I was making 100, to $200 a day. So yes, it's doable. It's just that you have to basically have the skills. So once you work on your skills, then you can get to that level. Let's see some more questions. Right now, we have the market looks like it's going to basically fall because right now we have a situation with the S&P. It looks like a possible head and shoulders. So we have a head right here. We have the left shoulder right here. So again, the market giving you, it been doing this since I think since Friday. It been trying to go up, and then next thing you know, it goes right back down. So we probably going to go down. We still have support around here, so we will see. Right now we have resistance. It can actually find support around here and bounce back up, but I'm still waiting. Let me see, US30. I really don't like that. I mean, probably had a possibility of a pullback. We'll see. Gold popping up like crazy. Oil drop. We had that news come out at 10:30. So it just dropped. So I gotta see if oil has the potential to go down or go back up. Let me see the euro, USD, the JPY. All right, so let's go back to you guys' questions. Let me see here. Questions. All right. My biggest problem with trading as a rookie, as you said, my biggest problem with trading as a rookie is my discipline and revenge trading. Yes. Shout out to Michael. I believe I'm saying that right. Michael. Basically, yeah. So we all struggle with that. When we first start off, is the discipline, because we have to get used to basically trading with money. Okay, we're not used to that, so we had to get used to trading with money, risking money. One thing I found when you're trading with live money, just go small first. First of all, number one, you have to go demo, because you have to prove to yourself, you know what, I can do this. And then when you get to the point where you say, okay, I'm doing good on demo, all right, you switch to that live account. When you switch to that live account, you don't have to go big, right? That's what a lot of new traders do. They go big, and of course, if you go big, you're gonna be scared on a lot of trades. So it's best to basically try to go small. So when you go small, it can help with your emotions, right? So you're not losing that much. But revenge trading is an issue that a lot of new traders have. I understand that, and this is why you have to go small. You have to trade with a proven plan, and you have to trust your plan. Okay, and then you have to basically trade with good habits. And when you trade with good habits, right now Nasdaq looking good right now, guys. You have to basically trade with good habits. Create good habits. Once you create these good habits, basically, you're going to, when you trade with these good habits, guys, you're going to basically hold on, guys, I'm looking at Nasdaq. You're going to basically create good habits, and while you're creating these good habits, you're going to find yourself not breaking your rules. I'm looking at Nasdaq right now. My beef with my Nasdaq is this stupid trend line right here. We'll see if we can break this trend line. You know what? I get in, but if this hits the real resistance, Hold on, guys. I'm looking at this Nasdaq. Let's look at some other pairs right quick. Some other markets. S&P 500 popped up nice. Just give me a second, guys. I'm looking at these markets. All right, S&P 500. We made a new high, so it's a possibility it's trying to go back up, but we'll see. It's still got resistance right here. We have the US30 just popped up right here, and we have the Nasdaq is selling off because of this resistance on this trend line right here. It looks like a good trade too. All right, so let me see if I see anything, guys. Still looking at this Nasdaq, seeing what the Nasdaq is going to do. I think Nasdaq is probably trying to sell off. S&P 500. Might have to play the range on this one. you guys have questions, type it in. I'm just looking at these markets, guys. Just give me a second. These markets look weak. Might have to play the range on the S&P 500. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see if we get some resistance. I mean support right here. So oil finding resistance from up here. Gold pulling back. US30 trying to pull back. S&P 500. I'm gonna see if I play the range. We'll see. Nasdaq is acting choppy around here, but it looks like it's finding resistance right here, and it might, you know, because if you look at it, it looks like a you know, some type of inverse head and shoulder, but we have this resistance right here. The market overall looks weak, so you know, expecting a pullback is not. It's definitely doable. If you look at it, it's chopping up. So I'm looking at this S&P 500. Might have to play the range on that one for a quick. Let's see what I get. Let's see. Man, these markets are stubborn. They act like they want to do something, but they're not trying to do something. Trying to get this trade right here. Trying to get this trade right here, but I think it's a break even. Trying to get this trade. Hold on, guys. Just give me a second. Let's see if we can get it. The market is weak. I'm playing this range right now. I'm seeing if I can get this quick selling going on. We'll see. Let's see if we get another push down. It was right there near my profit target. Okay, if you look at it, right near my profit target, but you know, it basically bounced off my profit target, and now we just gotta wait. It's a waiting game. See, this is my profit target right here, guys. It went right there. It went to the profit target, but it didn't fill me. So I'm waiting to get filled. Hopefully we get filled. This is the S&P 500. If not, just get a quick break even on that trade. Hopefully it goes down some more. It looks like it's trying to push down though. Trying to push down, guys. It's trying. It's going slow. These markets, I told you guys, this is summertime, so when you're dealing with the summer, there we go. Most likely it's gonna be a break even. When you're dealing with the summer, it's slow. Okay. Sometimes it get really slow during the summertime. Now, if this was a regular, regular day, they definitely should have. Definitely should have got my profit. It's trying, man. I can see the weakness. I can see the sellers is trying to push it back down. Because overall, I think the market is so weak. I don't think it wants to go up. I think the sellers want to push it down. But, knowing these dudes, they probably will come back and, get me out for the break even. All right, so most likely I'm going to get out for the break even, guys. Yep, break even. There we go. Oh, well. It is what it is. I'm looking for another trade. Hold on, guys. I don't know what's going on with this live stream. Hold on. I don't know what's going on with this live stream. Sheesh, what's going on with live stream? Hold on, guys. All right, so we got a nice little pop. Okay, I was trying to get a quick scalp off that range. It pretty much hit my profit target, but it didn't give me nothing. So probably gotta look for some longs right now. Now let me show you guys what I was looking at pretty much with that trade. We had a head and shoulder situation going on. It was looking weak right here, so I just tried to take a quick scalp. Look for a quick one-on-one. They ain't filled me on a target. Whatever, it is what it is. So if they break out of this, I'm gonna see if they want to go long. then I'll probably look for a possible long. Nasdaq still trying to bounce around this area and trying to break this line right here. I think it will break the line. It looks good. Nasdaq got it really choppy around here, but it's definitely looking good right now. Let's look at the Dow. The Dow's looking good. It's just the Dow's the one that's just going nuts. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me close the door. Alrighty, so let me see if I see any questions, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know, guys. Shout out to you. Live life. You still in the building? Oil, I'm not really gonna mess with. It's chopping out right now. Gold is actually. I'm not gonna mess with that either. US30. I'm not gonna mess with. I really wanted the Nasdaq, but let's see how it reacts. Let's see how if it gives us a pullback somehow. Get a little choppy. Like I said, this is summertime, so you definitely could slow down. Get really slow. But it's still, still opportunities out here. It's just that, some days it's really slow. Nice bounce off of here. It's the euro right here. Man, these trend lines on TradingView is annoying sometimes. Goodness gracious. Look at this. Oh boy. All right, let's look at crude oil real quick. It's chopping around, but let me see. I don't see nothing with that yet. Gold. Nice. It's trying to pop, but I'm not really going to mess with gold right now. Probably going to find support somewhere around here. I really want the S&P 500, the Nasdaq. See, the S&P 500 is popping up nice, so we'll see how it breaks this. And let's see if we get a pullback on the Nasdaq. All right, let's see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're just joining me, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I actually just took a trade on the S&P 500, but it was a break even. I was trying to do a quick scalp on this range right here. I was playing a range. The market was just not going anywhere, so I said, you know what? We had a nice rejection right here. Let me just play this for a quick 1-to-1, but it didn't work out. It pretty much went to my profit target, but it didn't fill me, and it bounced right back up. So that was a break-even trade for me. I'm looking for something else. Most likely, it's looking like it's going to break out of this. So probably gonna look for some pullbacks with this market and the Nasdaq. Let's see if I see anything in the chat room. Okay, shout out to you. Yeah. You emailed me yesterday, right? Live life. You emailed me yesterday. Did you see the link I say gave you? Let me see. Chavez, let me look at some questions here. Daquan, what's going on, Daquan? I'm learning on the side of US30 falling. You said I am learning on the side of US30 falling. US30 hit this current zone of price twice in the past 2 months, and it fell pretty hard. Let's see what happens. This is the 4 hour. Okay, you're talking about the 4 hour. Okay, yeah, 4 hours. You know, definitely not looking at the 4 hour right now. Let me see if I can see what you're talking about. Oh, right here. Okay, you're talking about right here. So it basically, yeah. But I mean, right now, I ain't gonna lie, the market is looking really bullish. So we probably gonna pass that. I mean, it might find some type of sellers right here, but if you look at this looks like a breakout going on right now. So this might be a legit breakout right here. So it might just blow past those levels. If you look at it, this is the daily chart right here. This is like a legit breakout. The market is strong. The market is not waiting for nobody. These markets are very, very strong to the upside. So this might be a legit breakout, and it might just keep going. Yeah, no problem. Um, no problem. Live life. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Who else? Let me see. Why do you feel the markets are slower in the summer? Well, basically, it's all the big dogs is on vacation. Okay, so that's a known fact that the markets get slower. It's usually around August. Okay, so June and July is pretty decent, but around August it gets a little slower. Um, and that's because the big dogs is on vacation. And they pretty much have they they are the volume, right? They bring the volume to the market. So when they don't trade that much during the summer, it gets things slow down. But you will find some opportunities. You still trust me. You can still find opportunities during the summer. It's just that it's a little bit slower, and it usually picks back up around September. Let me see if I see any questions. You said was that a buy you got in? Where on the S&P 500? Al, you talking about S&P 500? I believe your name is Al. Is it Al or AI? Which one is it? Chavez said he caught that impulse move on that in the SP 500. Man, shout out to you. Chavez is actually one of my students. Good job, man. Man, US30 ain't playing right now. It's just going straight up. Nasdaq is having a problem around here. We'll see what's going on with this. Man, these markets are so slow today, man. Goodness gracious. Nasdaq looks like it's trying to sell off. Nasdaq is a headache right now because you're trying to figure out what Nasdaq is doing. It's trying to pop up, but let me look at S&P 500. Okay, we're selling off right here. S&P 500 still has the ability to do something, but I still don't like it. To be honest with you, man. That's, it wasn't the best breakout. Still sloppy right here. Eventually probably will break out, but it's still sloppy. So I gotta make sure what this thing is, what this thing want to do. All right, let me see here. Let's look at some. Anybody else took any trades? Oh, just saying said he got in at on US30. Let me see. So I'm guessing. What time was that? Let me see. What time was that? So I'm guessing that was around. You said 26962. 26962. So I'm guessing 269. So you're talking about something down here. That must have been pre-market. Just saying, that was pre-market. Yeah, that must have been pre-market because I don't see that during the market. All right, Nasdaq. Let's see what you got to do. Nasdaq is acting suspect right now. It still has the potential to go up though. Nasdaq's. And S&P 500 has potential to go up. It's just slow right now. Let me see here. Live 12 people. Okay. Yeah, I went live earlier and then the live stream messed up. Something happened. So we're making new highs on the S&P 500. Definitely have the ability to keep going up. I'm definitely looking at that one. Nasdaq is a choppy beast right now. It has the ability to bounce up, but we can find support, bounce up, but we'll see. Let me see if US30 pulled back yet. US30 didn't even have a pullback yet, a decent one. Buyers trying to come in. Hey, Jalissa, you said live trading. Let me hit that all notification. Shout out to you. Yeah, actually, I was doing live trading today, yesterday, and I did some last week. Michael said, "What do you use as confirmation when you enter?" Basically, I use a whole bunch of confirmations, um, around like maybe eight different confirmations. But I'm just basically looking for either some type of bullish bar or bearish bar, some type of rejection, some type of nice looking bearish bar or bullish bar to get in. Now, if I'm playing a range, that's something different. And basically, what I'm looking for the most part is I'm looking for smart money to come in. Okay, I'm looking for it to pull back to the zone, smart money, the supply and demand zone. Then I'm looking to take a trade from there. Look at the Nasdaq acting crazy. So to me, the setups is not really. I mean, I'm not saying they're not important, but just understanding the structure of the market is very, very important. That's number one. Okay, then basically waiting for the market to come back to a specific level, whatever level you have. That's number two, and then just basically having some type of confirmation, candlestick confirmation to get in. You know, that's usually the last step. So S&P 500 is trying to do something right now. This market is slow, slow. S&P 500 trying to find some life. Let's see what the S&P 500 can do. Let me look at some more questions. Are you on Telegram? Not yet. I actually have a private group right now. Private group I just opened last week, and I'll let you guys know that on Friday, since since my channel is small, and I'm trying to build the private group, I'm giving you guys a discount. So anybody that wants the discount, you just gotta email me or just basically go to my Instagram page. I don't have a Telegram yet. I just basically put my videos on YouTube. Michael said this morning I went long on the BTC. It caught 350 pips. Long on BTC. What time? Man, this is like a slow market right here, guys. Let's look at the Nasdaq. I think oil is trying to go back up, but it's so sloppy right now. It looks like it's trying to go back up though. Oil. Looks about to break out. It's a sloppy, range, but it looks like it's trying to break out right now. Gold is not playing. Gold is trying to go up again. S&P 500. What's going on with these guys? It's trying to go up. Let's see what the Nasdaq and S&P 500 is doing. Unless they're trying to pull back. Whew, market is slow. Goodness gracious. Yeah, Jalissa, yeah, go through my videos. Go through my new videos, my old videos, and you'll see basically the strategy I'm using and what I do on a daily basis. And that's anybody that's watching this channel right now. Let me see. If anybody else have any questions, let me know. Shout out to everybody that's new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button, guys. If you're on this channel right now, hit that like button. I'm trying to catch something right now. It's just a slow market right now, guys. It's August, so you gotta, you just gotta take what the market is giving you right now. I had one trade that was looking really, really good, but it was, a quick break even. Pretty much went to my profit target, but it didn't fill me. It is what it is. It looks like this is going to pull back some more, so let's look at the Nasdaq. Yep, the Nasdaq is pulling back. This is a slow, sloppy market, so they might just continue to go back down. If this is a break, this might just continue to go back down. We'll see. US30 might start pulling back too. US30 is actually going up, but we'll see if it's gonna create another break. S&P 500 selling off. Let's see what Nasdaq is gonna do. Jalissa, what markets are you looking at? What markets you usually trade? You're long on the euro. Let's check that out. I don't have that up here. Let's check it on here. Hold on, wait, what you said? Euro? Let me see it. Okay. Are you long on this trade? It's not a bad looking trade. Just a little, it's just getting a little choppy up there. That's all. Right here it's getting a little choppy around this area. But I can see why you want to buy this, because it could be a possible breakout right here. If I can show you this thing is acting stupid. Hold on, guys. Trading View is acting stupid right now. All right. Let's see if we get Trading View to act normal. Trying to draw the trend line real quick. Man, it's like the Trading View is annoying right now. But I see what you're talking about. It's a possible breakout. If I can draw it. Stupid trend line is acting up. All right, should work now. So yeah, I mean, it can work out. It's just that me personally, it's a little sloppy here, but this is definitely gonna work out. I can see what you're talking about. Let's look at the Nasdaq here. Okay, Nasdaq. Acting choppy. Right. S&P 500. A possibility of a long right here, but I'm not really interested in this long. Everything still looks kind of. I mean, this long could work out. But I'm just chilling right now. I don't like the whole structure of that market right now. It's kind of sloppy, kind of rangy. So taking a long right here could be kind of suspect. It could work out, but I'm just chilling right now. US30 is the only one that's trending pretty good. If you look at US30, it's the only one that's trending pretty good. I'm on demo right now, but I love the indices. US30, yes, I hear you. I hear you. The German 30. What do I think about it? I don't know. I don't trade it. You want me to look at it right now? I don't know why I don't see it. Hold on. I don't know why I don't see that. It's not coming up. Here we go. Basically, Dow was popping right now. Let me check the S&P 500, guys. Yeah, I mean, this right now, it's not doing anything. It's ranging most likely. I mean, we had some support right here, so it could bounce up right here. I could definitely see some type of bounce right here. But definitely wouldn't be looking at that right now. It's kind of rangy. Let me see the S&P 500. Let's see if it's popping. Okay, so we got a pop right here on the S&P 500. Let me look at it, make sure. See, the S&P 500, it looks good for that long, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. It looks good for that long. I just don't want to, but it definitely looks good, man, for that long. Definitely have that long potential. This market is so slow that if you look at this whole structure, it's just a big range, and it's finally popping out the range, but it's doing this very slow. It just barely popped out right here. So it's like, I'm dealing with the range right now, so I really don't want to buy that right now. Even though if it works, I don't care. We don't want to buy that right now. But it has a ability to go up higher. It definitely has that ability. You see, nice little pop right here, pull back. It looks like it's trying to go up some more. So it could definitely go up some more. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. So Nasdaq actually, if S&P 500 and all these dudes go up, Nasdaq probably will go up too. It's just Nasdaq is just so disgusting right now. We do have these nice rejection right here. Let me look at it some more. Hold on. Yeah. I'm just gonna wait a little bit, guys. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Huh? Yeah, later. I'm almost done. Yes, I'm almost done. Close the door. Yeah, close the door. My daughter here is bothering me. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill, wait. I mean, like I said before, it's just slow. A normal August day. I almost had one trade in the books, but I'm just waiting for one more trade, see if I get that. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, let me know. You said it might be on the DAX, or the DAX. Okay, so let me see how this popping up, man. This looks, man, I mean, this thing is looking really, really good. It's trying to bait me into taking this trade. I just don't want to take it because I feel like I'm buying to top up that range. The market has been ranging. Let me see the DAX here. The DAX is actually good. Yeah, that's the same one. That's the same market. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's a good market. I don't trade it, but it's a good market. Anybody else took any trades? So Oil, right, was trying to pop up to the upside. Now it looks like it's going to the downside. So we have something coming, either to break to the upside or downside. They might still go up with this, but overall, if it struggles, if it's struggling to make a new high, then they could break this. Because overall, look how crazy it been going up. So a reversal right here makes sense, but I wouldn't be surprised if they try to bring it up. Oil, same thing with oil. A reversal right here makes sense. I'm not oil, gold, just been going crazy for the past 2 days. So if you look at it, zoom out, look how crazy gold, look how crazy this, crazy, crazy, crazy. So a little pullback right here probably makes sense. Let's look at S&P 500, the one that's trying to bait me to take that trade, but I'm chilling right now. It's definitely looking good. Nasdaq, yeah, Nasdaq is having problems around here, man. I don't know. Nasdaq, look at Nasdaq. Look, basically, let me show you real quick. Right here, we've been ranging over market, right? Since the market opened, right? Just had a one push, but overall, look, just been going nowhere. This is what you have to deal with a lot of times, sometimes, in the summertime. Not every single day though, but look at this. Nothing. It's going on 2 hours, still nothing. You think the S&P will pull back? Let me see the S&P. It looks like it's going to try to make a new high right now, man. The only reason why I'm not touching this, man, because the market's kind of slow. I feel like I'm buying the range, the top of the range. I really don't want to get caught, but it definitely looks like it's trying to pop. But I really don't want to get caught. Because we're making higher highs. You notice we're making higher highs, so they can definitely pop. That's the only one I like so far, like right now as a trade, but I'm still not gonna take it. But that's the only trade I like so far. Because it definitely has potential to go higher, but I don't want to take it. And look at this. Look at this nonsense. You see how? You see, that's, we'll see how, see right here? That's exactly why I didn't want to take it. Because if you look at this whole structure, it's just ranging. So that's why me personally, I didn't take the trade, because if you look at the structure, let me show you. Let me just draw it out for you guys. Look how rangy this is, all right? So if I buy this right here, I'm buying the top of the range, right? That's why I didn't want to buy it. And that's why I didn't buy it. Now, is this the top and are we going to go all the way back down? We'll see. I don't know. I'm chilling right now. I told you right now I'm chilling. I ain't gonna force no trades. And this is a good thing to show you guys, whoever's new to trading, to show you guys how a full-time trader, trades the market, especially during the day. You got to be very, very patient with your trades. Be disciplined, because right now it's not always like this. All right, only took one trade. Some days I could take 4 to 5 trades. You know, it's summertime right now, so you know I do expect to take less trades, but I'm not going to force no trades just because I want to see or just because I want to get in the trade. So we got a nice little blast. Let's see if let's see what they want to do. Let's see if they want to go down. Let's see what US30 is doing, guys. Yeah, US30 is actually going down. US oil might go down because, like I said, we've been trading for a long time, so it might break down. I mean, it has definitely a reason to break down a little bit. You know, there's a pullback. Gold, same thing. I don't see a reason why gold can't pull back. Maybe pull back a little bit. It's been running for a long time. So right now, like I said, I was looking at the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq for a potential trade. Didn't see anything. The S&P 500 was the one I really like, but you know it was ranging, so I didn't really take any trades off that. I still don't see anything yet that I like. If you look at oil, guess what? Stuck in this range. If you look at gold, I mean, basically been going up. You know, I'm not even going to touch that. If you look at the US30, I was waiting for a decent pullback, but you know, it didn't give us. It's probably going to pull back now, so I don't see nothing with that. S&P 500, still nothing. You know, I played the range one time today, got a quick break even. It is what it is, and that was it. Nasdaq, choppy. What about that head and shoulders on what are you talking about? On the S&P 500? Yeah, it's working out right now. You talking about S&P 500? That sell is working out pretty good. The volume coming in the market pretty good now. So we'll see how. Chavez, you talking about S&P 500? That's head and shoulders. The 5 minute chart on what? 5 minute chart? Yes, I'm. This is the 5 minute chart I'm looking at right now. Yes. I am 30 points on a US30 drop. Caught it exactly at the top. The US30 top. I mean drop. Or are you talking about right here? Yeah, it was head and shoulders, yes, on the S&P. So we had basically this a sell off right here, and you see how quick that sell came in, right? Came in real quick. So yeah, I mean, I'm guessing that right now things are just going to be pulling back. The buyers had too many, you know, the buyers had a lot of chances to actually, a lot of opportunities to go up, but it didn't go up. All right, so it could most likely continue to go back down, um, to the upside. We'll see. Unless it's going to find support around here, I'm not buying nothing around here right now. Hopefully, we'll see some by the next half an hour. If not, probably call it a day. Daquan, you trying to pick tops and bottoms, bro? Yeah, man. Another slow day in the summer. You said no. I just tend to scalp zone rejections. Okay. You was looking. You probably you was looking at the the. You must probably was looking at the 4 hour chart or something. You was looking at the bigger time frame right here. Well, we'll see tomorrow. Slow day right now. I hear you, Daquan. I hear you. Alrighty, let's see what S&P 500 is doing. Let's see if they want to really bring this baby back down, or they just finding support somewhere around here to go back up. Let's look at the Nasdaq. Yeah, the Nasdaq still in that little box range. You know, these I mean, definitely had the ability to continue to go back up. It's just that right now everything is weak. You know, we try to go up right here. All right. Rejection once, twice. Went back down. Now it's back to these lows right here. We'll see if it trying to catch some type of support. But it's definitely looking weak right now. I might have to say the Bears is probably in control right now. And if we look at the Nasdaq, let's look at the daily chart. Yeah, daily chart has the ability to sell off a little bit. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, okay. Let's see with the S&P 500. Okay, so we selling, we selling. So if we selling like this, most likely we're gonna probably keep on going down. Let's look at what the crude oil is doing. I think crude oil is actually going down too. Gold is going down, right? US30 trying to pop, but I doubt that. Okay, so we'll see what's going on here, guys. Okay, so we have a little support right here. Bias is coming in. So we'll see. I mean, it does have the ability to go up some more. Okay. And because, we can actually, find support around here. But we'll see. I'm going to take a quick break. If you guys have any questions, type it in. I'm going to take a quick break real quick, guys. I don't see nothing right now. Let me see. S&P 500, US30. Trying to pop up. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, let's see. Nothing going on. Nasdaq. All right, little pop. Nothing going on though. It's trying. It's trying. Let me see. Oil. Gold. All right. So nothing's going on, I guess. Let me see if I see any questions here. You have to see if US30 is going to commit bull or bear. Yeah, I mean, right now it's hard to tell what it's going to do. I mean, we had a nice run, so right now, I can definitely see it pull back a little bit more. Yeah, it looks like it's pulling back right now as we speak. So it looks like we're trying to get sellers in the market. I would love to see if I could go short somewhere. I think the sellers might be coming in right now. They coming in slow, but I think they're coming in right now. Do you watch the lower time frames and enter in the higher ones? No, I just watched the I watched the lower time frames and that's about it. Um I look at the 60-minute, you know, before trading, but for the most part I'm looking at the 5-minute chart, 4-minute chart, and I'm going from there. I mean, you could look at the higher time frame. There's nothing wrong with looking at the higher time frame and trying to go down, to a smaller time frame. There's nothing wrong with that. Let me see here. Just rolled the S&P 500 wave down. Done for the day. Good session, bro. Man, shout out to you, Servaz. Servaz a beast, bro. Beastin'. He's actually one of my students, man. Shout out to you. Let me see. So he probably caught the head and shoulders right here, Chavez. You caught that head and shoulders on the S&P 500. Nice, bro. Nice trading, bro. Yeah, that was a nice head and shoulders right there. I was playing the range earlier. I should have kept playing the range because that was a nice little sell right there too. Shout out to you though, man. Good trading, bro. Chavez said you the GOAT. Shout out to you, man. Doing some good things, bro. Let me see here. Yeah, I think the market is trying to probably go back down more. I mean, it is pretty much weak right now. We broke this trend line right here, so it's a possibility. Probably want to roll down some more. Let's look at the Nasdaq. Yeah, the Nasdaq is acting choppy. Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised we go right back to the lows. Definitely wouldn't be surprised. we'll see. We'll see. Because right now, the Nasdaq has some almost like an inverse head and shoulder, looking like, looking like an inverse head and shoulders. So, but it looks like it's going to break that though, because you look at this right here. We have an inverse head and shoulders. We got the head left, right. But the only thing, that is kind of suspect right now. We did make a lower low right here. Okay. So we made a lower low right here. So that could be a sign of weakness. We'll see. S&P 500, what it's doing? It's not doing nothing. Yeah, I could probably see this market rolling back over. Let's look at crude oil or gold right quick. Let's look at, okay, so crude oil broke this big range that we was in. It's still not going nowhere though, guys. I mean, if you look at this is just, if the market continues to act like this, then I'm most likely I'm gonna have to start playing the range, start playing the ranges. And that's another thing with traders. You have to, know what the market is doing, and basically just get familiar with ranges. So gold looks like it's going to reverse. Oil reversing. US30, well, actually Nasdaq, well, it popped up a little bit, but I think it's probably going to reverse. US30 not doing nothing. S&P 500 not doing nothing. Let me see here, guys. Shout out to everybody that's watching this stream. If you guys have questions, let me know. I'm about to end the live stream very soon. Slow market today. Just took one trade, a quick break even. I should have probably kept playing the range on the S&P 500 because this was a nice sell, but I'm not worried about that. Looks like the market is weak. Most likely we'll probably get some more selling going on. And that's what's going on right now, selling. It's selling going on. It's just slow. It's just slow selling, but it's selling going on. Looking at these markets, see if I see any opportunity. Looking at the Russell. Russell looks okay. We'll see. Let's see 10. Let's see what they're going to do with this. Let's look at the S&P 500. It's trying to sell, man. It's getting there. It's a slow sell right now. I don't think they want to go up. If they do go up, we'll see. It looks sluggish. All right. I don't really see nothing right now, guys. So if you guys have any questions, type it in. We're about to end the live stream very soon. I don't see nothing going on right now. I was trying to take one more trade during the live stream. Gold is breaking down right now. Let's see what's going on with that. Nasdaq is pulling back. I'm a complete noob. Where do I start? So you never traded before in your life, Ray? Did you never traded, like you never went on a demo chart? You never, download any type of platform before? I'm trying to figure out, like, are you like really like new, as in like you never pressed buy on a demo? Let me know. Type it in the chat room. Let me know. No, you said you only bought and sold crypto. Okay, shout out to you, man. You said you like a complete noob. Okay, yeah. So if you're a complete noob, basically, a couple of things you can do. You can or it depends on what market you want to trade. If you want to trade, like I trade the indices like Nasdaq, S&P 500. So if you want to trade those markets, a couple of things you can do. All depends on what platform you want to use. You can use a futures platform, or you use a Forex platform. Okay. You download that. You have to have a strategy. So you probably don't even know how to backtest. Okay. So you can maybe search for a strategy online. Okay. Or you can get somebody to mentor you. Okay. Actually, I opened up a new group last week. So if you're interested in that, let me know. But this maybe search for the basic stuff, and then you got to have to come up with a strategy. Okay, you make sure you demo that strategy to see if that strategy is working. Okay, and then you go from there. But what broker to use and what platform to download, the best thing to do is email me, and I'll give you a list of what you want to do. You have Ray, do you have Instagram? You can go to you have Instagram? Yeah, email me. I'll send you some basic stuff. Since you're a complete noob, let me see. Let me give you my email address. Because sometimes when somebody say they're a complete noob, you know, sometimes it means that they've been trading, but they still don't know, what strategy to use. But if you're a complete noob, as in like you never open up a demo, none of that stuff, then that's something different. So hold on, let me show you. Let me give you my email address. I'll send you some good information. But overall, eventually you're gonna need a good strategy. In my opinion, you're gonna probably need a mentor, somebody that's going to show you the ropes, somebody that's doing it, on a daily basis, and then you go from there. So we're getting a pop, guys. We're getting a pop right now. We're getting a pop from. Let me see. I'm right now. We're getting a pop on the Nasdaq. Let's see what the S&P 500 is doing. Okay, so we're getting a little pop on the S&P 500. It's still rangy, but I'm not worried about that. Let's see what the Nasdaq can actually do. Let's see if we can actually go higher, but since the market been so slow, I don't see how far this thing can go. Gold is not doing anything. Oil is not doing anything right now. Yeah, oil look is probably gonna continue to go back down. Let's look at US30. Still looks suspect, but we'll see. All right, let me give you the email, Ray. All right, so I'm not seeing nothing right now. Probably gonna end the live streams very soon. Not seeing nothing, guys. It's just brutal. We could definitely find resistance right here on the S&P 500. I'm looking at this level right here. Possibility we can find resistance around here. So I'm looking at that. US30 looks like it's probably going to continue to go down. Nasdaq. I don't know what Nasdaq is trying to do. Trying to do something, but I don't know. I know we found support right here, so let me give you this email address. All right, Ray, here's the email address. All right. You said you sub, brother. Thanks for the game. I appreciate it. Yeah, no problem, man. And shout out to you. You are you in Bitcoin right now? Because you said you're dealing with the cryptos. What are you in right now? Bitcoin? Because the cryptos right now have been going crazy. If US30 really rejects this zone, it would be good for a few positions I'm leaving open. There are just you said there are just 2 of positions I'm waiting to fill. Okay, shout out to you, man. Yeah, I hope it works out for you, man. It looks like it's trying to go down, but it's slow. Like right now, it's just slow right now. It's just ridiculous, guys. But this is the summer action that I was talking about. Now, not every day is like this, but you will get days like this where it's just brutal. Okay, it's not doing nothing. I'm looking at the S&P 500 for a possible sell. Let me read some questions. Guys, if you have questions, let me know. I'm looking at possible sells. I'm looking at Nasdaq, what it's doing. I'm looking at the US30 looking suspect, going down some more. Let's see what this S&P can do right now, guys. Shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Hold on, guys. So right now, possible break even right now. Hold on, guys. They move so fast. I'm looking at this S&P. Hold on. Yeah. So worst case scenario, break even on this, on the S&P, guys. I'm trying to get to lows. Let's see if we can get to lows, guys. S&P 500. On with me. Come on, baby. Give me those lows. Come on, break those lows, baby. Come to Papa. It's coming, guys. There we go. Boom. All right. I got that trade. So I got a trade for you guys today. There we go. Nice little trade right there on the S&P 500. You guys saw that or what? I'm the only one here. You guys saw that trade? I gave you guys a quick live trade on that one. S&P 500. I'm up on a small account, $105. Man, these trades be coming quick sometimes. All right, cool. So we got a nice little sell right here, guys, on the S&P 500. Right here, up quick, $105. So I got a quick trade for you guys. Let me switch it to the other one. Everything is dropping right now, so basically that was a nice trade. We probably could have got a nice 2-to-1 out of that one. You said so close? So close to what? Daquan, you said so close? What do you mean? So anyway, so let me explain the trade for you guys. That's basically that's looking at the replay and the guys that's on the stream right now. So basically overall, I had to play the range, like I said before, you have to, if you're a trader, in my opinion, a day trader, you have to understand both a ranging market and a trending market. Anyway, so basically the market was ranging, all right. We was at the top of the range right here, so I didn't really want to didn't really want to buy right here, and good thing I didn't. We had a sell right here. I didn't catch that sell. One of my students did though, and what happened was we had a nice supply. So you notice how smart money came in. Notice how we had a nice selling going on. Came back to supply. I took this sell right here, guys, for a quick winner. All right, so I had to play the range because overall the market was choppy. Nothing really going on today. Nasdaq is actually dropping now too. US30 I think is pulling back some more. Yep, the US30 is pulling back some more. Oil, what's going on with oil? Oil's not doing anything. Gold, what's going on with gold? And gold is not doing nothing. It's selling off. All right, so do you guys have any questions before I get out of here? You said look at your chart. Yes. Send me a link. Send me a trading view link. You said look at your chart. Send me a trading view link. Anybody else has any questions before we end this live stream, guys? Shout out to everybody that's here, though. I appreciate it. Shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate it, man. Hit those like buttons before you bounce, guys. Before you leave, hit those like buttons. And also, if anybody wants to learn how I'm able to basically trade from home full time, just basically email me or contact me via Instagram, If you don't have my Instagram, all my information should be below in the description. Let me give you guys my Instagram real quick though. I told you guys right now I'm giving you guys a discount with the private group because I'm trying to build up the group. Okay, I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to do this for probably the next month or two. Give you guys discount, but like I said, the discounts usually are sporadic, meaning like they're not every single day. You gotta act within like maybe 24 hours or 48 hours until I do it again. I'm trying to hold on. What's going on Instagram? Hold on, guys. William said, "How can I be a student?" Yeah, so basically, William, I have right now. I have since my channel is small, I have a promotion going on where I'm basically giving you guys a discount, pretty much half off. Okay, it's crazy because the information I'm giving you guys is absolutely straight up A+ information. Okay, a lot of stuff you won't find on YouTube. I've been trading for 13 years. A lot of stuff I learned from 6-figure and 7-figure traders. I'm giving you all that stuff with the trading programs, and you can get to join the private group. Now, right now, everything is $349. Okay, that's the regular price, but I'm giving you guys a discount, so pretty much half off. So, in order to get that though, you have to email me, or you have to basically we call that, go to my Instagram and message me. So I'm gonna give you guys both. I'll give you guys my email and the Instagram. All right. And basically I'm gonna show you guys how I'm able to do this. All right, here's my Instagram, guys. YouTube blocks the link. You sure? So hold on. Let me make sure. Let me see if I have a settings. I might have a certain settings. Yeah, this is my Instagram, William, and let me give you my email real quick. All right. But and also you guys can watch some of my videos on YouTube too. I have some videos on YouTube. But if you want to just go deeper, you want to have a mentor, if you want to have one-on-one access to me where you can ask me any questions, I will look at your chart. I will basically make sure that you are on the right path. Okay, that's the main goal right now. Especially right now, the group is small, so I can do that. I can, if you ask me a question, I get to you right away. I can say, listen, let me see your chart. Make sure you're doing the right things. So that's what I'm able to do. You said you can't send a link on YouTube. Let me check. YouTube is blocking the link. So if YouTube, who was that say? Who said YouTube was blocking the link? Who said that? So if YouTube was blocking the link, let me who said that? Daquan, you have Instagram? You have Instagram, bro? Send me the link on Instagram. You have Instagram? Yeah, send me the link on Instagram. Um. Okay, I see now. You play made. Okay, you say you see the play I made. Yes, good one. Will you be live streaming every day around this time? Basically, I started something new. I started live streaming yesterday and today. And I actually did live stream last week. I don't know if I'm doing it every single day. It's taxing. I'm not gonna lie, it's taxing. Because I'm not used to basically, talking and trading at the same time. But what I would try to do, I try to do at least one or two, each week. I'm gonna try. We'll see. But the reason why I like doing a live stream is because I want to show you guys, how I'm thinking, what I'm looking at, um, you know, and explain to you guys live, because I think that's a good way to explain. And also, I can definitely answer some questions, and you guys can see, me doing some live trading, because a lot of people out here, especially in the YouTube world, they don't do live trading. They show you screenshots that kind of screenshots is kind of suspect. A lot of stuff goes on behind the scenes, and the best way to really see if someone's doing something is by live trading, in my opinion. Let me see if I see any. Did you send it on Instagram, bro? I think I got a message on Instagram. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I got the message on Instagram. So let's bring it to the let's bring it to let's let let's let everybody see this real quick. So we're gonna basically go here, and we're gonna basically look at this. So you took a short right here, and I'm guessing this is based on you saw a resistance. Okay, because this is the half an hour chart, right? The 30-minute chart. I can't really tell. Honestly, I can't tell. Is this the 30-minute or the 5-minute chart? Oh, let me see. That was the US30. US30. So that looks like the 5-minute chart, I believe. Okay, so you took a sell right here, and I'm guessing that was based on. Let me show you this resistance that we had right here. Let me go back some more. This right here, we have resistance right here and resistance right here. So we have resistance right here. So you went to the 5-minute chart, and you saw this. And you took this right here. Now you took this right here because of what? Because you saw some selling coming in. You said it hit the top of the channel on the 5-minute. You saw resistance on the 4-hour, and it hit the top of the channel on the 5-minute. You said it hit the top of the channel. Oh, okay, the channel that was going up. Okay, I see what you're talking about. So it hit the top of the channel while I was going up. Okay, I see what you're talking about. Yeah, I mean that's not a bad play. It's not a bad play. It's doable. It's just sometimes, you know, um, me personally, sometimes I just wait for a little bit more confirmation, because what I'm, just from my experience, dealing with dealing with bigger resistance, like the 4-hour resistance, like that. Sometimes it doesn't go straight down like that. Okay, so sometimes they play around multiple times before they go down. So me personally, I probably look for more confirmation, but I can see why you got in that move. All right, guys. So that's it. Let me see if I see any more questions, and let me see if you guys have any more. All right, that's it, guys. So, um, I don't think I'm doing a live stream tomorrow, but I'm probably drop a video on Friday, and probably talk about a couple of things. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a great week. If you have any questions, you can comment below, or you can basically message me via Instagram or or not YouTube, but email. What else? And that's it. Let me see. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Appreciate all you guys that's tuning in. Daquan, Gam, who else? William, Live Life, Ray. Shout out to all everybody that's here. Chavez. Shout out to you, man. You was killing it today. Jalissa, everybody that was here, guys. Appreciate you guys here. Natalie, appreciate you guys. And Javier, I know Javier was here too. All right, so guys, we are out. Like I said before, summertime. Sometimes things are a little bit slower, but you will see opportunities. Some days it will pick up. Like tomorrow, like let's say tomorrow might pick up. Okay, it might not be slow, but you know you have to expect some type of slow days like this when it's summertime, when it's August. All right. Other than that, let me see if I see any more questions. Yeah, bro, you're right. They do. Live trading is better for visual learners. Yes. Yeah, I'm a visual learner too. Definitely a visual learner. Let me see. To make sure it wasn't. You said. Yeah. I waited for the channel to go. Oh, okay. You waited for the 5 minute to close red. Okay, I see. To make sure it wasn't going to blow past the channel. I hear you, bro. I mean, yeah, like I said, that wasn't a bad trade, man. That wasn't a bad trade. Somebody's calling me. Hold on. Hello? How you doing? Oh, well, I guess that's my mother. I'm gonna call my mom's back. But yeah, this is it's not a bad trade. I see exactly what you're talking about. You know, you definitely got a nice little TP out of this one. Nice risk reward out of this one. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Talk to you guys later. Hit those like buttons before you exit out of this chat room. And I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you guys, you know, keep at it, man. Don't give up. Keep improving. You know, keep, you know, doing whatever. You said what's my take on GA? Well, I don't have a take on GA right now because I'm about to be out of here. But I'll probably look at that. Let me see. GA. Is this the 5 minute chart? Yeah, it's 5 minute chart. Yeah, well, my take right now on it, on the 5 minute chart, really don't see nothing. It's a possibility we can probably pull back somewhere around here, maybe for a possible long. So somewhere around here, this area right here, could be a possible long. But other than that, I'll be waiting for pullbacks. Now, I don't know if you're talking about the 5 minute chart or the daily chart. The daily chart, I don't see anything. I just see they broke this trend line, and it's a possibility that it can probably continue to go back up. I think we're probably gonna get one more bounce to the upside. All right, guys. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you guys hit those like buttons, hit that subscribe button, and please, guys, have a great day.